Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Wix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wix.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Wix website. Now if you don't end up within your dashboard, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and use your credentials to end up within your homepage. Now from this homepage, if you wish to delete your account, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings. From the account settings option, you can scroll all the way down and you will find the option to close your account. Just click on the close your account option and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your Wix account. Just provide your confirmation and you might be asked to enter your password. After entering your password, you may also be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone number or your email address. Just enter this verification code within the next screen and click on the confirm button and your account will begin termination. After this step is completed, make sure not to log into your account for at least a month to finalize your account deletion. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete or close your account on Wix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.